So this is Victoria, my business partner. We co-founded the Northern Gold Club. I have another business called the Prospectors Club, and I was just telling Victoria that because it was me for a long time, and then we've got 6 staff now. I had all of these systems in my head and then nothing on paper. So I would just give the girls a job and expect them to figure it out, and it doesn't actually quite work like that. They're not mind readers. So I was saying we need to have systems in place, like for Subly, go in and this is how you do it. For MailChimp, this is how you do it. For the certificates of authenticity, this is how you do it. And Victoria said we should do it from the start, which is a really good idea. So I wanted to share this with all of the other business owners out there. I don't know if this is a common piece of tech that businesses are using, but we have just discovered Scribe. It's probably like a very well-known thing that most businesses are using, but they use a lot of AI to kind of capture step-by-step processes.
Yeah.
So, yeah, basically I can't really show them that page, can I? Because it's got our personal info on it.
It screen records
That's what
you're
it's doing.
and it highlights step by step exactly what you just did. Click here, click here, filter here. And AI generates the text of what we just did, which is
crazy.
Yeah.
Like, I thought we were going to have to write out our systems.
This
But
is
then,
genius.
So yeah, like all of the tech programs we're using, we use MailChimp for our EDMs. I have been tempted to go to Klaviyo, but that's a whole other subject. We use Subly for our subscription model. We use Scribe now for our systems and processes. ShipStation for our third-party shipping integration. Canva for creative. Is that everything?
Asana.
I love Asana. I've converted Victoria. Asana. Yeah. Asana's like our organisational shared project management system. So we create projects and we can both see them both. I can assign things to Victoria, she can assign things to me.
So handy when you're working across the world.
Yeah, because we
Wake
actually...
up to your to-do list.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually love it. I'm like, Victoria's signed it. I'm like, perfect.
Yeah.
Because we live on opposite sides of the globe, so something like that's very helpful. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any other suggestions from other business owners, let us know.